Hello students, welcome to our pathology PYQ series. Today's topic is DNA repair genes. So in general, it would be asked to write a short note on DNA repair genes and their role in carcinogenesis. So is the introduction? DNA repair genes maintain genomic stability by correcting DNA damage. Defects in these genes lead to accumulation of mutations and contribute to carcinogenesis. One simple thing, which concept which is we have learned is that what happens that when the body gets injured, there is a repair going on, DNA repair, and when the frequency of injury is increased, there might be some mutation in while the gene repair process is going on, which leads to cancer. So, what are the types of DNA repair mechanisms? First is mismatch repair genes, MMR genes. These genes correct the errors occurring during DNA replication. Defect result in microsatellite instability. Example: MLH1, MSH2, MH6. What are the associated cancers with MMR genes? Hereditary non-polyposis colorectal carcinoma. Second is nucleotide excision repair, NER. NER removes bulky DNA lesions caused by ultraviolet radiation. Defects leads to xeroderma pigmentosum. Okay. Third is base excision pair, BER. Base excision pairs repairs small helix distorting base damage. Okay. And fourth is double strand break repair, which, as the name implies, involves repairing double stranded DNA breaks. For example, BRCA1, BRCA2. And what are the cancers which are associated with double strand break repair? So, if any malfunction helps while double strand break repair is happening, it will lead to either breast cancer or ovarian carcinoma. Okay, what is the role of DNA repair in cancer? DNA repair genes in cancer. Defective DNA repair genes lead to genomic instability, increased mutation rate, and increased risk of malignancy. Okay, one important MCQ which may be asked is that what is the other name of DNA repair genes? They are also known as caretaker genes. So, how do you do? This is a slightly difficult topic. At least remember these four headings: mismatch repair genes, nucleotide excision repair, base excision repair, or double stranded break repair. Then explain it and writing at least 1 2 lines. And if you can remember, write the names of the genes. Okay, some topics you might not able to be master, but this is a very healthy and practical approach. But some topics, I always say, never leave any easy topic behind, because easy topic, easy PYQ, if you go through it 2 3 times, even if you don't perfect it, you'd somehow be able to write something if it comes in your exam. But if you leave it completely, you would not be able to make up any answer. Okay, see you in the next topic.